What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be going over Shopify Downsells, what they are, and how you can implement them easily with a few apps available on the App Store today. So make sure you stay to the end of the video here. Before I dive into it, I just want to quickly thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business. It's going to come with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description to check that out there. I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's first dive into the terminology here. So we'll go over an upsell, a downsell versus a one-time offer. An upsell is going to be an upgrade of the original product purchase, usually a higher price. For example, if you're selling a widget for $100, maybe there's a nicer one you can add on too for $150. So you can add that on the upsell. It's also going to be a downsell. So it's going to be focusing on it's going to be a lower price product offered when a customer refuses the upsell. So if you think of this as a funnel here, so after the customer purchases, you're going to show them an upsell. Following that, if they reject it and they say no thanks, we'll show them a downsell here. This is all to get the customer to increase their average order value, which is going to help increase your profitability. As we know, one of the biggest expenses for any e-commerce store and any Shopify store is going to be that customer acquisition cost. So the more we can bundle in together, the more we can get the customer to purchase. It's going to give us more margin to work with, which is going to make it easier for us to then scale our ads and increase the profitability. What types of upsells and downsells you're going to add to your store is going to depend on a few factors. So it's going to be, do you have repeat buyers? If you don't, you might want them to get to purchase a lot upfront. So trying to get them to add things with the upsells and downsells to their cart, which can feel a little scammy at times or gimmicky. But if you don't get a lot of repeat buyers, this may be necessary for your Shopify store. So depending on the customer relationship that you're trying to establish, this one is going to impact that there. You're also going to think about, do you have products offered in different formats? Do you have complementary products that can be bundled together? So if you're selling a barbecue, you're not going to add a car as the upsell, as they're not going to be really related, but maybe you have barbecue tongs, a barbecue cover, or a more expensive barbecue that you can add together. You want to think this through before deciding which products to add. Something else you consider is offering a bulk discount. So let's say they order 2 or 3 of the same item, they're going to get a discount there. We already know they want that item because they purchased it once, so encouraging them to get it again can be beneficial. Now that you understand the concept of a downsell, and you want to use it for your store, let's take a look at an app that works really well for this, available on the Shopify App Store, and that's going to be Reconvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell. It's going to allow you to build a post-purchase upsell and downsell funnel here. So it's going to have conditions based on what the customer wants to do. So if they say they decline this, we'll show them a different product here on the downsell. If they decline, we could show them another one. We could send them to the product page. It's going to give you customization options here. But overall, this advanced funnel system is going to be great to build that downsell sequence in combination with your upsell sequence. So we can see one upsell here, second upsell, then the thank you page. If we go to the demo here, we can see this in action. So this post-purchase upsell is going to have just about every feature they have here. So collection lists along with different related products. So as the upsell here, so there's also a reorder button to get 15% off. So those are the bulk discounts we talked about. Overall, the downsell option doesn't exist, I don't believe, on this demo store here, but it's going to be a really good example of what it's going to actually look like with the specific application once you get it set up and once you get your funnel set up. Another app that's going to help here was going to be One-Click Upsell by Zipify. So this app has been around for a while. It's going to allow for things such as pre-purchase upsells, but in terms of downsells here, it's going to allow you to build that funnel that you're going to look for to create your downsells in your funnel. Again, it's going to have a funnel builder here, as we can see in the demo image, allowing you to build that funnel that you're looking for. It's going to help optimize revenue and profit for your Shopify store. Overall, this concludes the video on Shopify downsells. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this. If you liked the video, I would love if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as it would really help the channel out. If you have any questions, let me know. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc, again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. There's going to be a link in the description to check out that 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.